Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best 360-degree self-leveling laser levels on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Hupar Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Hupar Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling is a versatile tool designed to enhance precision in various construction and DIY projects. It projects one ultra-bright 360-degree horizontal green laser line and one 130-degree vertical green laser line, providing comprehensive coverage for tasks such as aligning, leveling, and squaring. The self-leveling feature ensures accuracy within plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet, automatically adjusting for slight inclinations while indicating out-of-level conditions. This functionality is particularly beneficial for professionals and enthusiasts requiring reliable and precise measurements. Constructed with durability in mind, the Hupar Laser Level boasts an IP54 rating, signifying resistance to water and dust, making it suitable for various job site conditions. The device offers multiple mounting options, including 1/4 inch -20 and 5/8 inch -11 threads, allowing compatibility with standard tripods and brackets. Additionally, the laser level features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing extended operational time, and includes a Type-C charging port for convenient power replenishment. These attributes make the Hupar Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling a practical choice for those seeking efficiency and accuracy in their projects. Number 2 is the 100 feet self-leveling laser level Motavara. The Motavara 100-foot self-leveling laser level is a versatile tool designed to enhance accuracy in various construction and DIY projects. This device projects a green cross-line laser with a 110-degree horizontal and a 110-degree vertical line, providing comprehensive coverage for tasks such as aligning, leveling, and squaring. The green laser is notably brighter than traditional red lasers, ensuring clear visibility up to 100 feet indoors and making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. The self-leveling feature automatically adjusts within 4 degrees, ensuring precision with a horizontal accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 33 feet. For projects requiring manual alignment, the device offers a manual mode, allowing users to lock the lines at any desired angle. Additionally, the laser level includes 4 adjustable brightness settings, enabling users to adapt the laser intensity based on the working environment, thereby optimizing visibility and battery consumption. Durability and user convenience are central to the Motavara Laser Level's design. It boasts an IP54 rating, indicating resistance to dust and water, which ensures reliable performance in various job site conditions. The compact, palm-sized design, complemented by a soft grip, enhances portability and ease of use. The device comes equipped with a magnetic bracket featuring a 1/420 mounting thread, allowing for secure attachment to various surfaces and compatibility with standard tripods. A low battery indicator alerts users when power is running low, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. The package includes the laser level, magnetic bracket, 2 AA batteries, a laser target plate, user manual, and a carrying bag, providing a comprehensive set for immediate use. These features make the Motavara 100-foot self-leveling laser level a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and reliability in their projects. And to finish, the first position goes to the Takamine 16 Lines Green Laser Level Pro. The Takamine 16 Lines Green Laser Level Pro is a versatile tool designed for precision in construction and DIY projects. It features 4 360-degree planes, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, providing comprehensive coverage for tasks such as aligning, leveling, and squaring. The green laser beams are notably brighter than traditional red lasers, ensuring clear visibility up to 130 feet indoors, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. For extended range, the pulse mode allows detection up to 200 feet when used with a compatible receiver. This laser level is equipped with a Japan Sharp green laser unit, known for its brightness and stability. It offers self-leveling within plus or minus 4 degrees and includes a manual mode for projecting lines at any desired angle. The device comes with a 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing over 10 hours of continuous operation, and features a Type-C charging port for faster charging. Durability is ensured with an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance, and the TPR soft rubber housing offers shock resistance. Included accessories are a magnetic stand, 360-degree rotating base, power adapter, and a carrying case, making it a comprehensive solution for precise leveling needs. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 360 degrees self-leveling laser levels that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.